20 New Orleans haunted places. 1. Le Petit Théâtre du Vieux Carré. 2. St. Louis Cemetery. 3. Bourbon Orleans Hotel. 4. Lafitte's Blacksmith Shop Bar. 5. The Himani Lounge. 6. St. Louis Cathedral. 7. New Orleans Pharmacy Museum. 8. The Lalaurie Mansion. 9. Our Lady of Guadalupe Church. 10. St. Roch Chapel and Cemetery. 11. Mortuary Haunted House. 12. Old Absinthe House. 13. Hotel St. Pierre. 14. Jackson Square. 15. Charity Hospital. 16. Museum of Death. 17. The French Quarter. 18. The Andrew Jackson Hotel. 19. Old Ursuline Convent Museum. 20. Myrtle's Plantation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below.